Assalamu alaikum and lovely morning to all of my students and whoever is watching this video right now. I hope and pray that you all are, as usual, you are feeling great, you are enjoying your day. Yeah, it is now hot. It's been like 2, 3 days. It's a little hot, but that is the beauty of the weather. That changes every day, or maybe like after like 2, 3 days. So we should enjoy all the days. We should enjoy all the weathers, as I always say, because there is something good in every situation. So a beautiful present from Allah Subhanahu wa Taala, a new day. We can do a lot. We can learn a lot, we can have fun, we can help a lot, we can spread positivity. So, but use mask because you don't have to spread something else, right? And I hope that you all are vaccinated now because that is even like really important. So I hope that you all are like safe and you are taking care of yourself and you're following the SPs. That's great. Okay, so we're going to start, and we are right now going to do. We are in the literacy class. So as we did the alphabets, we are going to do the alphabets today, and we have to do the tracing because, as I told you that we will be writing them in the 4 lines. Then, so we have to practice practice, right? So we were practicing the alphabets and we did from A till T last time. So we are going to complete the rest of the alphabets, right? So we are going to start, and you'll be needing, as before, like you'll be needing these both, your alphabet fun book N to Z small and N to Z capital one, right? So all of you check out that. We'll be doing this first and then the other one later. We'll be starting from the small ones, right? Okay, let's start now. So we are going to take out page number 71 from this book. Oh, sorry, this book. Yeah, take out page number 71. So we will do the tracing, right? Yes. And please, your lead pencils in your hands. Yes, I shall also take my lead pencils in your hand. Yes, everybody, good. So we are going to practice writing, tracing, and writing both, right? So page number 71. On page number 71, we have these ones, the left over our alphabets, our letters. They're like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 alphabets are left. So we're going to practice them and we're going to write them. Most of them are, the shape is the same except Y. All of the shape is almost the same in small letters and in capital letters, right? So we will do it quickly. So where's my lead pencil? Yes, hold your lead pencils in your hand. Yeah, and put the book flat on the table like this. So you'll be able to write properly, nicely. Yeah. Yeah. You need to sit comfortably to write nicely, okay? So we are doing this page number 71. The first alphabet is U. Yes, that is U. Then it's we. And then it's W. Yes, X, Y, and Z. Yes, very good. So we're going to start with U. You know that, like how you're going to write this. See? U, small u. Very nice, right? So you're going to trace that. So you know the shape. So first of all, you're going to trace this over here, right? We're going to trace it 3 times. And then we're going to write it in the next 4 squares, right? So I'm going to put the book flat on the table, and then with the help of the pencil, starting from the red dot, we are going to trace U. Yeah, 1, then 2, and then 3. Okay, you're not going to hold your book like this, right? I'm just going to show you because if I'm going to put it on the table, you won't be able to see that, right? So that's why I'm holding it like this for you to have a look at that. Otherwise, you don't have to hold it like this, right? You're going to put it on the table flat, sit properly, and then write. Okay. So when you have written down U over here, then we are going to write it in the next 4 squares, right? And now you're going to write by your own, right? There's no dotted lines, so we're going to write, and we're not going to write it big. We will do the same size as it is given over here. So the same size you will write, okay? So have you practiced U tracing 3 times? You did that? Okay, that's great. So now you're going to write here U, right? Come on. Yes. Good. U and U, then U and U, right? So you're going to write it 4 times. You did? Done it? Okay, you did it all. Okay, so now we're going to do V. Okay, the small V. So we're going to start from here, right? Going down and then up, right? Down and up. Got it? Right? So practice we write it like 3 times or 4 times, right? Down, then up, down, up. We, right? Yes, trace it first, and then we're going to write it on our own, right? Easy? Yes, it is. It is. You've done it most of the time. You're practicing it, so. Okay, now show to me this one. We, yes. Down, up, down, up, down, and up. Okay, right here, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Right, we. Right? V is for victory. Victory. Okay, that's great. So now come up onto the next W. Down, up, right? So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, now come on. Yes, just trace it. Good. Okay, we are on W. So follow the dots and the lines. See? Red dot going down, then red dot going up, then red dot going down, then red dot going up, right here. Red dot going down, and this going up, and then come down, and then go up. Right, that's great. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 strokes in W. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you've done it. Now write it on your own in the 4 squares. Down, up, down, up. Very easy. Like zigzag, yes. Yes, correct. Like zigzag line, zigzag, zig, zigzag, zig, right? Okay. Okay, you've done that. That's great. So now X, very easy. That's a cross, criss, cross, right? Now look at this. 2 strokes. The one starts from here, down, and then here, down. Here, down, and then here, down. Easy? Yeah, it's easy. Come on. Crisscross. That was zigzag, zigzag. And this is crisscross. Crisscross. Yes, come on, do this. Crisscross. Read 3 times, and then you're going to write this over here. Crisscross. X, 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 X. Yes, good. Good, good, good. Okay. You did it? Lovely. Okay. Now, Y. We are going to do Y. Right? Y over here. You trace Y. Right? Yes. Come on, do it 3 times and then write it over here. Okay, good. You're finished. Okay, now the last one is Z, like this. Okay. Right? Yeah, that's also easy. I'm gonna come up, finish that, and then we'll be doing the capital letters. Okay, let's see which one we have to do. You done it? Okay, that's great. Okay, let me check out the one we have done in the capital letter book. Which one did we do? We did up till Z over there, yeah? Wait, let me find out. Where did we do that? Last time, where did we do that? I'm going to trace. Oops. Oops. I lost that page. Okay, take out page number 85, right? Because the tracing is the same, so we are just going to write it on our own, right? We did up till T, so take a page number 85, that's the last page in the book. See, we have just done like U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Only Y was different. Almost all the other alphabets are the same, right? You have just practiced, so you're going to, you can write it very easily, right? So first of all, write U over here, like U, only write 3 times, right? The rest of the 2 lines you're going to do for your homework. So you know there's no tracing dotted lines, so you're going to write it on your own, right? So over here, so if you look over here, so you're going to write here U, right? U and U, okay? Then V, easy. We, yes, you just follow that, but don't hold the book like this. And W, zigzag, 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 then X, crisscross, crisscross, crisscross. Okay, now y is a little, you're going to write like this, make a small v and then make a line right here, make a small v and then put a line down. Can you do that? Okay, make a small v like this I have made over here, and there's a line, right? Okay, that's great. Good. Okay, now the last one, Z, right? Z. Good. Z. Okay, easy. That's great. Okay, we have practiced the alphabets from A to Z. That's nice. So we're going to do now a little more. So this is it for today's class, and I'm going to say goodbye from this class now. And definitely, inshallah, we'll see each other soon, inshallah, in the next class. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful, all of you. So till we see each other, I'm going to say goodbye and Allah Hafiz.